but not as fun as Toronto. It was a total ass-kiss move of me. I don't have anything against Montreal, you know what I'm saying? I've been there a couple times. But Toronto. I just want to know why everyone's so goddamn attractive, too. They're men and women, babies, animals, dogs. All your dogs are much better looking than the dogs in the States. They're more adorable, and then they're sort of like, Anyway, and you're all so fit. Tiny bums everywhere.
Not over here.
Nice. I'll give it to you. Let me just, it's gonna smell like the inside of a fucking donkey. But I'll give it to you. I don't have any cute stories to go along with this song.
Make one up.
Let me make one up. Back in the day, when I was a young boy, on the farms of Iowa, I would be out at 5 in the morning, picking corn or whatever you're supposed to do. Milking cows. I was milking cows. And I thought to myself, one day, if it's possible, one day, would I be able to headline a club in far-off lands like Canada. And then I saw the video for Rush's, I believe it was Tom Sawyer. Maybe it wasn't. What was the one that took place in the woods in that studio, deep in the would be cold?
Limelight.
Living in the limelight. You guys know you're a fucking bunch of nerds. Let's fire this up. You're just like me. You gotta know it. You gotta know it. I know red barchetta, which is the sure sign that I'm a total douchebag. I only half step down. Ready? Tell me when we go to A and then. Worst version of red barchetta ever. All of a sudden I feel like we're on a cruise ship. All of a sudden I felt like
city with our diamond slippers on. Jewel gate darling all night, bluebirds on our shoulders. We're half awake in a fake empire. We're half awake.